Good afternoon from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. We have a brand new tornado watch now here for Illinois, portions of eastern Missouri and western Kentucky that just has come in since our last update. This tornado watch basically runs along and south of the line from I-72 in Decatur, Illinois, back to Quincy, Illinois, south through all of the rest of Illinois. Basically, the area east of I-57 is not included, which would include the area of Champaign, Bloomington, up that direction. But again, from Springfield, Quincy to the south, a tornado watch now in effect until 9 p.m. So we're talking about a good 8 hours of tornadic potential. This would also include, as you can see, Paducah, Cape Girardeau. We can move to the south here with Interwarn and show you Kentucky, and we can show you this watch also includes areas to the west of Bowling Green, including Paducah, and we can switch over to Missouri here and show you this watch over in Missouri. Includes basically the area along the Missouri border from up to the north around Rolla all the way down to Cape Girardeau. This is just one tornado watch of many that are going to be out this afternoon. I'm sure this one in effect until 9 p.m. Mississippi is a big area of action though right now still. We have 4 tornado warnings active, 5 tornado warnings now as we speak. Another one comes up here active in portions of Mississippi. We'll let this image update here. It's getting a new update, and we will see a tornado watch here again for areas including Montgomery and Birmingham, Alabama. Tornado warnings all over the Alabama area. Let's switch over to Alabama here because it looks like we're updating data. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tornado warnings right now in effect for Alabama. Again, these will be approaching the Montgomery area, and even up in Birmingham, you can see up there, we've got storms racing across the border there. Northeastern part of Birmingham Metro, a severe thunderstorm warning there as we speak. I noticed something here we'll bring up to you here very quickly. In Tennessee, we've got a flash flood warning that's now been issued for folks in the Nashville metro area. We'll get you some more details on that, but definitely a potential there for flash flooding with any of these storms this afternoon. Okay, let's go into where the heart of the action is right now in Mississippi. We've got a tornado warning for areas just to the south of Jackson, Mississippi. We're seeing the TVS signature here on radar. Let's bring in Stormlabs Pathcast and show you. This particular storm would be in Braxton by 121, Morton by 154. You can see the other cities affected by that particular storm. Has a fairly good tornado signature on it, and that again is going to move just to the south of Jackson. There has been damage reported in Jackson from earlier this morning rather, as tornadoes move through. Let's show you this other storm here as it has some very large hail well north of Meridian and moving toward the northeast at around 40 miles an hour. We'll back out here and take you over. Again, these are now starting to transition over into Alabama. You can see all these reports to the south, so let's switch over to mobile's radar and show you that. And we'll go through some of these warnings here. You can see we'll recenter this. We had it on the Montgomery area just to show folks there that these storms are going to be there within the hour approaching Montgomery, Alabama metro. Let's back it out here just a bit and show you these reports as they're coming in of tornadoes, and the Weather Service is trying to very actively respond to these. Look at all the tornado or funnel cloud icons we've got here. Let's see some of these reports here that we're getting in from Stormlab, and we can see again these reports pretty much are scattered all around portions of southwestern Alabama. Let's go to the warnings. We'll tell you what we've got here. Let me get this latest one that's just coming over from the National Weather Service in Mobile. A tornado warning for southwestern Wilcox County in south central Alabama, northern Clark County in southwest Alabama. This includes the cities of Thomasville and Grove Hill until 1:45. National Weather Service Doppler radar continue to indicate a possible tornado 8 miles east of Coffeyville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Again, that would be a storm that we're watching. It has a history of confirmed damage and producing tornadoes. Kemper County in east central Mississippi, this includes the city of Preston, a tornado warning till 1:45 now. A tornado warning also for folks in Washington County in southwest Alabama. This includes the city of Chatham, again until 1:30. This is that storm that was reported along state line here earlier and now is moving to the northeast at around 40 miles an hour. That's the general movement of all of these storms. Southeastern Wilcox Wilcox County, northeastern Monroe County, and south central Alabama continues until 1:30. A tornado warning there. Tornado warnings for northern Copiah County, south central Hinds County, southwestern Rankin County, northwestern Simpson County, and southeastern Claiborne County in southwest Mississippi. All these in Mississippi. So let's switch back over to the Brandon Jackson radar, and we can show you these again till 1:30 this afternoon. So tornado warnings continuing across multiple counties, large populated areas being affected, and there will be more as the afternoon goes on. A tornado warning again for the areas just to the south of Jackson, Mississippi. Damage has already been reported from earlier storms. This tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. And now for central Illinois, if we come back to the Springfield radar very quickly here from Lincoln, we can show you right now nothing happening in central Illinois. Temperature 57, dew point 52. The tornado watch stretches from Decatur back to Quincy and south. I expect development to rapidly occur as the afternoon goes on. We will keep an eye on it right here. Again, those a very serious situation though over Alabama, Mississippi, areas to the south of Tupelo, moving into the Huntsville, Alabama area shortly. Montgomery, Alabama, you're also under the gun as these tornado warnings will continue with confirmed tornadoes, violent tornadoes on the ground. They could be rain wrapped also, so we want to watch out for that possibility as well. And quickly here, we'll update you on that situation in Davidson County in Nashville. That is an urban and small stream flood advisory in effect until midnight. There's been a couple inches of rain over the area. There's concern about minor flooding. Of course, we always get concerned when we hear Nashville. Downtown Nashville is included in this, and we're mainly going to see some minor flooding across the area of Davidson County as a cold front expected to move across the area with rain amounts, additional rain amounts, 1 to 2 inches. So we'll keep an eye on this. Hopefully no serious situation there, but whenever we see Nashville included in these flood advisories, we get a little bit concerned. Wind advisories stretch through the Smoky Mountains all the way across the state of Tennessee. That's the latest as it comes in right now from the Central Illinois Weather Network.